Dr. Doreen Grand-Pichet is the
Dr. Doreen is an expert in autism.
Doreen Grand-Pichet.
Dr. Grand-Pichet.
Dr. Doreen Grand-Pichet.
Dr. Doreen Grand-Pichet is a visionary in the field of autism. Now you can ask her questions on Ask Dr. Doreen. I wanted to go to a follow-up from last week. You answered a question and they wrote back, they said, "Hi, I would like to thank Dr. Doreen for answering my question on hyperbaric chambers and redox reactions. It was so informative and helpful. I could listen to Dr. Doreen speak all day," and they put a smiley face. "Would Dr. Doreen consider giving a crash course to BCBAs on all the biological aspects of treatment for autism, including diet, medications, exercise, whatever is out there? I would love to know it to better help my clients, and thank you for an amazing show." And they sent their email. They are a BCBA.
That's so awesome. I love that. Thank you so much, Shannon. I appreciate that. And I love it when BCBAs are kind of on the same page as I am with regards to treating the child as a whole human being and learning all the biomedical stuff. So the good news is that for card BCBAs, I do actually give them courses on biomedical. But what I wanted to say is that last year I started an endowment at the Association for Behavior Analysis International. I actually donated money to them. They started an endowment in my name. And this endowment every year will pay for a medical doctor to come to ABAI National Conference, which occurs in May, which is open, by the way, to not just professionals, but parents as well. In fact, right before COVID, they had like 8,000 people attending this thing. It's one of the largest conferences, and it is our kind of mothership for the field of behavior analysis. So they've now developed an endowment. Every year, a medical doctor comes and gives a talk about the medical aspects of autism and the biochemistry and the underlying issues with autism. This year, this May that just passed, was the first session, and we had Dr. Richard Fry, MD, PhD, who is one of the most incredible physician and scientist who deals with autism and teaches about autism and researches about autism. And he came and gave a very kind of basic talk for our BCBAs who were attending the ABAI conference. I am sure that talk is available on their website, on the ABAI website. So please feel free to go there to follow that. And again, next year there'll be another one, and hopefully over time all BCBAs will gain a good understanding of all the medical aspects.
It's a thing divinely to be wished. Thanks for watching Autism Live. If you found anything helpful in this video, please give us a like. In fact, make sure that you smash that subscribe button on YouTube and give us a like on Facebook. You can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram for important updates. And please download our free podcast wherever you get your podcasts. See you next time. Until then, give your kiddos a hug from me and one for you too. Bye-bye for now. To subscribe, click here. And if you'd like to check out some more of our videos, click here.